Welcome to Tocantins, a land untouched, a world unknown to many, yet brimming with life in its purest form. Here in the heart of Brazil lies a secret, a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Carved from the vast expanse of Goiás, Tocantins, though young, cradles ancient wonders. Join me, dear viewer, as we journey through this mosaic of landscapes, from the sun-drenched savannas to the shadowy depths of its forests, and discover the hidden treasures of Tocantins. Our exploration begins in Jalapão, a realm of dramatic contrasts, where golden sand dunes, sculpted by the wind, rise from the earth like waves frozen in time. This remote and pristine region, located in the heart of Brazil, is a hidden gem that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and adventure. The vast expanse of sand dunes stretches as far as the eye can see, creating a mesmerizing landscape that seems almost otherworldly. The golden hues of the sand, especially during sunrise and sunset, cast a magical glow over the entire area, making it a photographer's paradise. The dunes are constantly shifting and changing shape thanks to the relentless winds that sweep across the region, ensuring that no two visits to Jalapão are ever the same. These are the Dunas Douradas, a spectacle that leaves one breathless with its sheer scale and beauty. Standing atop these towering dunes, one can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the raw power of nature. The undulating patterns in the sand created by the wind are like nature's own artwork, constantly evolving and changing. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the vastness of the landscape, finding peace and solitude in the midst of nature's grandeur. The Dunas Douradas are not just a visual treat. They also offer a range of activities for adventure enthusiasts, from sandboarding down the slopes to exploring the dunes on foot or by 4x4 vehicles. But Jalapão is more than just sand and sky. This diverse region is a tapestry of different landscapes, each more stunning than the last. From the arid beauty of the sand dunes to the lush greenery of the savanna, Jalapão is a land of contrasts. The region is home to a variety of ecosystems, each supporting a unique array of flora and fauna. The savannas are dotted with hardy shrubs and trees, providing a stark contrast to the barren beauty of the dunes. The rocky outcrops and plateaus offer stunning vistas of the surrounding landscape, making Jalapão a paradise for nature lovers and photographers alike. It is a land sculpted by water, where crystal-clear rivers carve their way through the landscape, cascading down rocky outcrops to form breathtaking waterfalls. These rivers are the lifeblood of the region, providing sustenance to the diverse ecosystems that thrive here. The sound of water rushing over rocks is a constant companion as you explore Jalapão, adding to the sense of tranquility and peace that pervades the area. The waterfalls, with their cool, refreshing waters, offer a welcome respite from the heat of the day, inviting visitors to take a dip and rejuvenate themselves. Here, in these pristine waters, life finds a way. The rivers and streams are teeming with aquatic life, from tiny fish darting amongst the rocks to larger species that call these waters home. The clarity of the water is astounding, allowing you to see the vibrant underwater world in all its glory. The rivers are also home to a variety of plant life, with aquatic plants swaying gently in the current, adding to the beauty of the underwater landscape. The pristine condition of these waters is a testament to the unspoiled nature of Jalapão, making it a haven for wildlife and a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Fish, painted in vibrant hues, dart amongst the rocks, while kingfishers, with their jewel-toned plumage, keep a watchful eye from above. The rivers of Jalapão are a symphony of color and movement, with the fish and birds creating a dynamic and ever-changing tableau. The kingfishers, with their sharp eyes and quick reflexes, are a common sight along the riverbanks, diving into the water to catch their prey. The presence of these birds is a sign of the health and vitality of the ecosystem, as they rely on the abundance of fish and other aquatic life to survive. And then there are the fervaduros, those enigmatic springs that seem to boil from the earth itself. These natural wonders are a unique feature of Jalapão, with their crystal-clear waters and bubbling surfaces creating a mesmerizing effect. The fervaduros are formed by underground rivers that force water up through the sandy soil, creating a natural jacuzzi effect. The water is so clear that you can see straight to the bottom, and the constant bubbling gives the impression that the springs are boiling, even though the water is cool and refreshing. These natural jacuzzis, with their crystal-clear water, are an invitation to relax and soak in the tranquility of this unique ecosystem. The fervaduros are a popular spot for visitors, offering a chance to unwind and experience the soothing effects of the bubbling waters. The springs are surrounded by lush vegetation, adding to the sense of seclusion and peace. As you float in the cool, clear water, you can feel the stresses of the outside world melt away, leaving you refreshed and rejuvenated. The fervaduros are a testament to the natural beauty and wonder of Jalapão, a place where you can truly connect with nature and find a sense of inner peace. Our journey takes us now to the mighty Araguaia River, a colossal artery that courses through the heart of Tocantins, weaving its way through lush forests and vast plains. Its waters are a lifeline for the countless creatures that call this land home. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, the river sustains an incredible diversity of life. Stretching over 1,600 miles, the Araguaia River is not just a geographical feature, but a vital thread in the fabric of the region's ecosystem. The Araguaia is a paradise for those seeking adventure. Its winding paths and varying currents offer a playground for kayakers and rafters alike. Glide along its surface in a kayak, feeling the gentle lapping of the water against your vessel, the only sound that breaks the silence. The tranquility of the river offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, allowing you to connect with nature in its purest form. Cast a line and feel the thrill as a fish, lured by your bait, fights for its freedom. Fishing on the Araguaia is not just a sport, but a tradition passed down through generations. The river teems with a variety of fish species, each one a testament to the rich biodiversity that the Araguaia supports. But the Araguaia is more than just a playground for adventure seekers. It is a vital ecosystem, home to a staggering array of species. The river's banks are alive with the sounds and sights of wildlife. From the vibrant calls of exotic birds to the rustling of leaves as animals move through the underbrush, the Araguaia is a symphony of life. The Araguaia National Park, which straddles the river's banks, protects this biodiversity, offering sanctuary to jaguars, giant river otters, and countless species of birds. Jaguars, the elusive and majestic big cats, roam the dense forests, their presence a symbol of the wild and untamed nature of this region. Giant river otters, playful and social, can be seen frolicking in the water, while the skies above are filled with the vibrant colors of numerous bird species. The Araguaia River is not just a river, it is the lifeblood of Tocantins, a vital artery that sustains both the land and its inhabitants. From the untamed wilderness, we venture now to Palmas, the vibrant capital of Tocantins. Don't let its modern facade fool you, for Palmas is a city that embraces its natural surroundings. Wide avenues lined with palm trees lead to parks and gardens, where the air is alive with the sound of birdsong. But Palmas is more than just a pretty face. It is a gateway to adventure, the starting point for expeditions to the wonders of Jalapão and beyond. Our next destination takes us to the Serra do Lajeado, a mountain range that rises from the heart of Tocantins, a region known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich biodiversity. This majestic range is not just a geographical feature, it's a living, breathing entity that tells the story of nature's resilience and beauty. Its slopes are cloaked in a tapestry of emerald green, a vibrant display of life that thrives in this unique ecosystem. The lush greenery is a testament to the fertile soil and the perfect climatic conditions that allow such diverse flora to flourish. Here, amongst the peaks and valleys, a symphony of life unfolds. The panoramic views reveal a landscape teeming with wildlife, each species playing its part in the intricate web of life. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature contributes to the harmony of this natural symphony. Hike through trails that wind their way through dense forests, where every step brings you closer to the heart of this vibrant ecosystem. The trails are a gateway to discovering the hidden gems of Serra do Lajeado, offering a chance to immerse yourself in the tranquility and beauty of nature. The air is thick with the scent of pine and damp earth, a sensory reminder of the forest's vitality. The mist that often envelops the forest adds an element of mystery and enchantment, making every hike an adventure. Look up and you might catch a glimpse of a hyacinth macaw, its plumage a riot of blue and gold. These magnificent birds are a symbol of the region's rich biodiversity and a reminder of the importance of preserving their natural habitat. As it soars overhead, the hyacinth macaw adds a splash of color to the sky, a living testament to the beauty and diversity of life in Serra do Lajeado. Watching these birds in flight is a mesmerizing experience, one that connects you to the wild and untamed spirit of the region. The Serra do Lajeado is a testament to the resilience of nature, a landscape that has withstood the test of time and continues to thrive. Its untouched beauty is a reminder of the power and persistence of life, even in the most challenging conditions. A reminder that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way. The new growth that emerges from the rocky terrain is a symbol of hope and renewal, a testament to the enduring spirit of nature. In Cerrado, every element of the landscape tells a story of survival and triumph, a true symphony of life. Tocantins is a land teeming with life, a haven for creatures great and small. In the wetlands, capybaras, the world's largest rodents, graze peacefully, their young ones scampering playfully at their sides. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, from the delicate trill of the tinamou to the raucous squawk of the macaw. And in the shadows, the jaguar, the apex predator of this realm, reigns supreme. But Tocantins' wildlife is facing increasing pressure from human activities. Deforestation and habitat loss threaten the delicate balance of this ecosystem. It is our responsibility, as stewards of this planet, to ensure that these creatures have a future. Our final adventure takes us deep beneath the surface to the cavernas do Rio Perdido, a hidden world of wonder and mystery. Here, the Rio Perdido, the lost river, has carved its way through the limestone, creating a labyrinth of caves and tunnels. Venture into this subterranean realm, and you'll be greeted by a sight that will take your breath away. Stalactites, formed over millennia by dripping water, hang from the ceiling like icy fingers, while stalagmites rise from the floor to meet them. The air is cool and damp, and the only sound is the gentle drip of water, a constant reminder of the relentless power of nature. Tocantins, a land of hidden wonders, a place where adventure awaits around every corner. Whether you seek the thrill of whitewater rafting on the Rio Tocantins, the tranquility of a hike through the cerrado, or the chance to come face to face with nature's most elusive creatures, Tocantins has something to offer everyone. So come, answer the call of the wild and discover the magic of Tocantins for yourself.